How to install Anaconda. Go to your browser and Google Anaconda download, and then click on the first link. Here you scroll down and then make sure to choose Python 3.7 and click download. You can ignore this and wait until the download is done. Once the download is done, click on the file to open it. Click next and agree. Click next and next. Click install and wait. Click next and install Microsoft Visual Code. And when it's done, click next. And you don't need to do this. And finish. Now go to search and type Anaconda to open the Anaconda Navigator. Decide if you would like to send Anaconda information about yourself or not, and then click OK or OK and don't show again. And there you are, that's it for installing Anaconda. Then if you want to get started with Jupyter Notebooks, go here and click launch.